Hello, I'm Don Bennett, instructor of the Precision Machining Technology program at Dauphin County Technical School. This year, I am proud to present the Outstanding Senior Award to a student who has demonstrated exceptional growth in the PMT program. This student came into the program with little understanding of the metalworking industry and is now leaving at a level that will allow him to gain employment in the machining field. This young man has also helped mentor other students and is always ready for a challenge. It is my pleasure to present the Outstanding Senior Award to Aidan Grumbling. Congratulations, Aidan.